How to know if an iPhone is carrier locked or not. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to know if your iPhone is carrier locked or unlocked, here is what you should do. Head over to your device settings, then tap on General. Head over to About section and scroll down. Now from here, search for the option of carrier lock. If it says no SIM restriction, your iPhone is unlocked. However, if it shows the name of the carrier, example SIM locked or carrier AT&T, your iPhone is carrier locked. Likewise, next method is you can test with a SIM card. For this, insert a SIM card from a different carrier. Once you power off your iPhone, turn it back on. If you can make calls and use data, your iPhone is unlocked. However, if you see an error like SIM not supported, it means your original carrier is locked. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.